Hi, it's Ronnie, and welcome to my channel and Punched Out Thursday with Kathy, Krista, myself, and Dorothy. And we will be featuring our punches today. See that one right there, over there on the right? I had it on top and then I had to start over because I lost my pictures. They were somewhere down in that pile. But I'm going to be using that punch and only that punch. Well, I'm going to be punching a little more right here. And I will be using my Tim Holtz piercer tool. And see, I am punching in there, but I decided I wanted some stitching on here. So yeah, I made all my holes and I'm going to make banners going across there. That punch, if you can't tell, it's stars and they're different sizes. And my plan is to make a banner with them. And I will be layering them. I'm just going to layer two at a time. But I thought, I want to make a banner to go on here. And well, I'd seen a layout a while back with hearts on one, and then I thought I haven't done a banner like that in a long time. And then when I got down to wanting to do it, I decided I wanted to do it with stars instead. And I'm gonna put some cross stitches over here. It has like a embellishment cluster on the page, and it has like wire stuff right there. And I decided I want to put my stitches there. And I like that little cluster down there just the way it is. And you're going to see me try to put something else down there several times. But I have all this Amy Tan stuff and everything is so big. Nothing's wanting to go down there. The few things I used that were smaller, well, the few things that I put on here, I'd already put them on somewhere else that were smaller. And I thought about moving them, but I thought, no, they seem to go there more than as a title. I was trying to put a title down there. I am going to end up with one there, but it's going to be small, so it's not going to be a very big title. This is my grandson, and we were at a park in town, and it's not a super big park, but it does have two different places where kids, well, almost three, because one's kind of separated over there in the distance. But this one's kind of like the main one right there in the front. And they were playing on the rides. We went to lunch at the local steakhouse and decided to go over there and take some pictures and visit and talk and, of course, play on the equipment that's there. And this thing kind of goes around and around. Only it's a lot easier if somebody else is doing the pushing. So Brandy's doing the pushing and Kyler's going around and around, and he's grinning from ear to ear in that one picture. Um, see, I'm going to put these I've already done the stitching, and I'm just going to glue the stars to the edge of the stitches like they are hanging there, you know. Technically, they're not because I didn't put a stitch in them. I considered it, but I wouldn't be able to put it right on the point. And I thought none of them was really big enough to even bother putting a stitch in it. So I finally decided just to put the stitches down first and just kind of nestle them up in there between each stitch. Well, not each one, but, you know, they are kind of spread out. But you know what I mean. Anyway, it's going to take me just a few minutes to get all them done. I'm putting whatever fits in whichever star. And when I get done, you know, it looks great. I thought when I got done, I thought, oh, I like that. But I end up using yellow down at the bottom. And I look up and there's no yellow at the top. So I pulled out the enamel dots then and used them, but still not enough yellow. So I have to put my thinking cap on to figure out another way to add some yellow up there. Let's see, I'm almost done with it. I think I got like maybe one more star to add and then I'll be done. But I'd used some of Amy Tan stickers in my How to Kill a Kit with Style last month. They were mixed in with the other stickers. They weren't with the Amy Tan stuff. I don't know why they were mixed in, but I thought, I think I'm going to pull the Amy Tan out and see what I can find in there that I could use. And this one looks like concrete, the paper does. Like, you know how concrete has the different shades? And that's how this looks. Like maybe some of it's bleached out even. And these stickers aren't very thick in this book, but I'm going to add them to cardstock to make them thicker. And look at me, I'm going to do this one. And really, where I put this one at, I don't really need it thicker. That one, the yellow one I did because I put foam tape under part of it. But that one up there, see how it could have probably went without the cardstock, but I used it anyway. And this one I just went ahead and stuck it on there instead of putting the cardstock behind it. It says laugh more, and the yellow one that's going to have foam tape behind it, it says you are my fave. It's the only kid she's got, but I thought I can put you are my fave there. And then, of course, there's always the I love you more thing going on. Like I love you more. And the other thing that we have going on in our family is I love you to infinity and beyond. So yeah, this I thought I'll use the love you more on there because that one gets used a lot. I started to use that happy on there. I thought, I can use it and put it down there where those colored embellishments are on the paper. But it seemed to look like it was going to blend in just way too much, even on top of those colored pieces, because not all of it's going to be on there. I thought I'd look in um, the that paper, that little baggie with all the odds and ends in there, because I had fussy cut stuff in there, but that didn't work. The camera was too big that was in there. I pulled this sticker out, and I think it says a day to remember or something. And I went ahead and layered it because, it's going to be gray on gray. And even though I was going to put down there in that corner, well, it's way too big. It covers way too much up. So I move it up, and I'm not going to like it there either. So I'm going to have a lot of indecision on this layout before I'm done. Looking at those stickers again, I have like 3 of them, and I have used some stickers on there. Oh, I really wanted to use that ticket there that says to do. Yeah, but it looked too big too. I thought maybe in the book maybe it wasn't too big, but it was. And this one says these moments, and I liked it because those little simple moments are like the best moments. Going to amusement park or something, like on vacation here and there, that's awesome because you get a new experience. But I think the best moments are the little moments that's every day that you're going to remember when you grow up, just because they help bond you. And so yeah, they're my favorite ones to scrap. But there's my delightful, and that is my title. Small though it may be. But see how the yellow down there? It's not all the yellow. It's 2 things. And then there's a tiny bit on the love you more. But of course, there's some in the picture too. So I add those enamel dots, and I added orange ones because I only had 3 yellow ones. But then I thought, well, I've got the Heidi Swap butter. And so I pulled it out, and I'm sprinkling it around the top. And I do sprinkle some down there at the bottom too, just so I'll have a little bit more down there. But that's it. I am done with my layout. I could have put more in that embellishment corner down there, but I really liked what they had there. And then I liked the stitches that I put there. So I ended up not putting much down there. I liked it the way it was. But that's it. That's my Punched Out Thursday layout. And if you look down there below, you'll see the other gals' links and see what they did. And yeah, it's so much fun playing with the punches and doing something on your layout with them that you used a tool from your stash to create. I just love using my tools and use them on the layout. I paid more for them and with the intentions of using them. Of course, I was thinking when I retire, I won't be able to buy as much stuff. I need to buy a tool here and there that I can use. And punches was a good big one to do, plus dies. I love dies. And I haven't used them near enough lately. But yeah, that's it. That's my layout. If you leave a comment below, I'll get back with you. And if you liked the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe. And of course, everybody that is, thank you so much. But all of you take care and stay safe. Bye.